Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize speaking skills with Babbel, complete guide step by step clearly. First, create your Babbel account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, explore the language options available. Select the language you want to improve your speaking skills in. Begin by taking the placement test to assess your current level. This will help tailor the lessons to your specific needs. Once assigned a level, start with the introductory lessons. Focus on pronunciation through the interactive speaking exercises. Use the speech recognition feature to practice and refine your accent. Repeat after native speakers to build confidence and fluency. Utilize the review sessions to reinforce what you've learned. Engage with conversation-based lessons for practical speaking practice. Take advantage of the dialogue simulations to enhance your conversational skills. Set aside dedicated time each day for consistent practice. Make it a habit to engage in speaking activities, both in and outside of lessons. Use Babbel's learning reminders to keep you motivated and on track. Challenge yourself with more advanced topics as you progress. Join conversation groups or forums within the Babbel community. Participate actively to gain confidence in speaking with others. Record your own voice to compare your progress over time. Don't hesitate to revisit earlier lessons to solidify your understanding. Track your progress to stay informed about your speaking improvements. Incorporate additional resources like podcasts and videos that relate to your target language. Finally, stay patient and persistent as you work on your speaking skills. With dedication, Babbel can significantly enhance your speaking abilities. This guide provides the structure you need to optimize your learning experience. Happy practicing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.